So I've got an exciting bag to share with you in this tour. This is the Embassy Briefcase, and as you can see, this one is new with tags, so leads me to believe it was never used. And I believe it's likely from the 80s, so the fact that it wasn't used for that long is pretty exciting. The style number of this bag is 5090, in case you want to look it up online. And I believe the color is Mocha. That's what the tag says. It says MOC, so that leads me to believe the color would have been considered Mocha. It's kind of got this nice two-tone color up here along the edges too, so it's just this beautiful deep chocolatey brown color. So I'm really careful handling it. I'll try to show you here a better view. Here's the side. This one doesn't come with a shoulder strap, so you just carry it by the handles. And here's the back and the other side. And then I'll move the camera and show you the top and bottom. Okay, so here's the inside of the bag. It's got that number stamped down there, which you sometimes see on older bags, and then it's also got these slip pockets inside, probably for pens, and it does have a creed, of course, but it's hard to show it on camera. It's always the issue I run into when making these videos. You can kind of make it out right there, but yeah, I'll of course link this listing in our Etsy shop down below, so if you want to take a further look at any of the photos or see the creed again, I'll link it down there. But there you have it. It's a really beautiful briefcase, and I can't believe it's still new with tags, so whoever ends up with it, I'm sure that they'll enjoy it for years to come.